Good afternoon, children. Now let us start. Now the revision of 11th chapter, mensuration. Now area of rectangle is L into B. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Area of square A square. Area of perimeter of a square 4A, 4 into side. Area of triangle half BH, half into base into height. Area of a parallelogram base into height. Area of circle pi r square, and perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Now you should write the first question in exercise 11.1. Then you listen in the question given. Here is two fields, square field and rectangular field. The square field has side 60 meter, and the length of the rectangular field is 80 meter, and also given that they have the same perimeter. The square field and the rectangular field has same perimeter. Then here we have to find which field has larger area. Now we should find the area of these two fields. Now here given the side of a square field is 60, so the perimeter of square field is 4 into side, that is 4 into 60, which is 240. And given that these two fields have same perimeter, so the perimeter of this rectangular field, perimeter of rectangular field is also same 240. But we know the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B, that is 240. So from this L plus B is 240 by 2, that is 120. But given its length is 80 meter, so 80 plus B equal to 120. From this we get B equal to 120 minus 80, that is 40 meter. Now we get the measures of square field and a rectangular field, then find its area. Now area of square field is area of square field. Area of a square is A square, side into side. So here side is 60. So 60 into 60, which is 3600 meter square meter. And area of rectangular field is we know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So here length is 80 meter and breadth is 40. That is 3200 meter square. Then which field has more area? Then square field has more area. That is square field has more area. You got it. Now you should write second question. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. He has a square plot with the side 25 meter. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing the garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. Then the measurement of house is given 20 meter and 55 meter, which is a rectangular plot. Then we have to find the cost of making garden, developing garden. Then how will you find the area of garden? First you find the area of garden, that is find the area of the square plot and the area of house. Then area of garden is area of square plot minus area of house. And area of square plot is, here the side is 25, so area is 25 into 25, 625 meter square. Now area of house. Area house, it is a rectangular plot, so its area is length into breadth, that is 20 into 15, 300 meter square. Then what will be the area of garden? Now area of garden is 625 minus 300, that is 325 meters square. That will be the area of garden. Then developing a garden per meter square, cost of developing garden per meter square is 55 rupees. Then cost of this area is, then cost of developing garden is 325 into 55. That will be the question. You should find its answer. Now you write a fourth question. The question is, a flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 centimeter and its corresponding height is 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meters square? Then how will you find the number of tiles? Here we have to find the number of tiles. Then how will you find the number of tiles? Here the area of floor is given. Now we find the area of each tile. Area of each tile, we know that area, this tile is in the form of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is base into height. So area of each tile, or area of a tile is base into height, that is 24 into 10 equal to 240 centimeter square. And given the area of the floor is area of the floor is 1080 meters square. 1080 meters square. But here the area of tile is in centimeter square, so we change this meter square into centimeter square. Then 1080 into, to convert centimeter into convert meter into centimeter multiplying by 100, then meter square into centimeter square multiplying by 10 into 10,000. 100 into 100. So 100 into 100, that is 1080, then put 4 zeros, centimeter square. That is the area of the floor, and area of a tile is 240 centimeter square. Then number of tiles is area of floor by area of a tile. That is 1 crore 8 lakh 1 crore 8 lakh. Divided by 240. That is 45,000. Number of tiles is 45,000.